cat is a strange duality. It is understood to be elegant, but it is also wild. Curious and calm, but with sudden flashes of violence. The cat represents something in your life that balances two different things, two sides of a coin. It is the arcana of curiosity, balance, and the potential for sudden change. Embrace the cat that you're aware of, but be wary of the cat that is unseen. Whisper a prayer for the forgotten saints, then inscribe your sacred memories below, and may your path be blessed